Every year, some of the world's finest concert grand pianos are crafted through a remarkable combination of woodworking mastery, engineering precision, and acoustic science. Today, we go inside the facility where raw timber, cast iron, and thousands of precision components become a world-class concert grand piano.
Welcome to one of the most demanding musical instrument manufacturing processes in the world.
From carefully selected tone woods to strings stretched under immense tension, every stage must meet extraordinary standards of precision.
The journey begins with carefully selected tone woods, chosen for the acoustic properties that will ultimately shape the piano's voice. Only a small percentage of harvested timber possesses the acoustic qualities required for a concert grand piano. With the wood fully seasoned, construction begins on the piano's outer rim, the massive curved structure that forms the instrument's foundation. Each rim must maintain exceptional structural integrity because it will ultimately resist more than 20 tons of string tension throughout its lifetime. The soundboard is often called the heart of the piano, transforming vibrating strings into the powerful sound capable of filling an entire concert hall. Every soundboard is individually tested to ensure it can transform string vibration into the rich, powerful voice expected from a concert grand piano. Hidden beneath the piano's elegant exterior is one of its strongest components, a cast iron plate engineered to withstand immense string tension. A finished concert grand piano plate must withstand forces exceeding 20 tons while maintaining absolute structural stability for decades. Now the piano begins to take its final form as the soundboard, rim, and cast iron plate are united into a single structure. By this stage, the instrument contains more than 200 strings, exerting extraordinary force across its structure. Next comes the piano action, an extraordinarily complex mechanical system responsible for translating every touch of the pianist into sound. More than 5,000 individual parts must work together flawlessly to deliver the responsiveness demanded by professional pianists. The iconic mirror-like finish of a concert grand piano requires countless hours of preparation, coating, curing, and polishing. Although fully assembled, each piano now undergoes extensive tuning and voicing before it can be considered performance-ready. Voicing determines the personality of the instrument, shaping everything from delicate lyrical passages to powerful concert-level projection. Only after extensive tuning, voicing, and evaluation can the instrument advance to final certification. Before leaving the factory, every concert grand piano undergoes one final series of inspections to ensure it meets exacting performance and craftsmanship standards. After months of construction and thousands of individual operations, the piano is finally prepared for its journey to a concert hall, recording studio, or performance venue.
Check the manifest against the crate number.
Looks good. We're clear for loading Bay 3.